In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To add a photo mark, on the right one and take a pic. Now to discard it, select X on the left and to add it, check mark on the right. If you want to discard your recording right away, hit cancel at the top left corner. To end it and save it though, tap on save at the top right one. Then name your recording however you want to. And hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. And then use all of those options to manage it. If you want to delete it, you need to hold it. Choose delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!